This will also be.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay,
For my
because
YouTube video.
listen. Okay, shut up. Because I have a hammer, that means I'm a seeker. Obviously, blah blah blah. Shut the fuck up.
No, this is
I'm
family
with
friendly for the
Everett.
YouTube video.
I don't care. You can bleep it out like I'm gonna bleep it out with the quack sound effect. Like
I
if I
don't
say
have
fuck
editing
or
software.
bitch. Fuck.
Go backstage.
Okay, okay. So listen, if you're a seeker, you must go backstage, away from the hider, okay?
Talk to the
You can
microphone.
take like a little peeky. Take like a little peeky. Take like a peek. Okay? Okay? So now that you're back here, you just wait until he's ready. You talk over. Take your hammer out, get ready to strike.
Ready.
Now that he's ready, I must go to him. His body is awfully close to the selling machine. So, basically, you gotta find him. And through the whole game, dude, stop talking on your mic, I can hear you. I can hear you. Basically, through the whole game, I can ask him to say beep, and I can say beep, right? And he has, like that, he'd beep like that, and he'd basically give away. And that's basically, that beep brings you much closer. Is he under his body? He's not. You gotta find him individually anywhere. Doesn't matter where it is. He could be anywhere. He could be anywhere. It just stays inside the map. Okay, beep. Wait, I'm so confused. Where is he? Is he in this pipe? Wait, what? Wait, what the fuck? How did you get in there?
That's why my body was so close.
Oh, I threw my controller. Fuck. I threw my controller.
Run! Run! Run!
So basically, when you find this little piece of shit, you gotta basically hit him, okay? If you get out of there, like.
You missed.
Oh, I didn't send him flying. I sent me flying. When you get close enough, grab your hammer and come in.
Hey! Chipotle? Chipotle?
This guy's here.
Oh no, it's Darkstorm! Bro, no,
That's
my
not
internet
Zip-Zap?
went out. My internet went out. This guy, he has money piles. And on the Find a Company, he gives away money piles.
What do you mean money piles? Is that money?
Like,
Can I
like
get
money
money from
piles,
these
like the
vending
modded
machines?
item. I'm not the modder. I'm not the modder here.
Okay, basically that's how you play Flea a little bit. Starter pack. You could take turns back and forth from everybody to become the Flea and run.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll show you the POV for mine. So if you mind getting me a tiny robot, you dumb fuck, go get me a robot. Can you get me a robot, pretty please? So right here, I'm gonna take the robot.
It's
This
your
dumb
turn
fuck
now.
and the other dumb fuck. This Everett and the other dumb fuck will go behind stage.
Stop! Family friendly.
My bad. How do I kick his ass? I can't.
Hey!
Oh, I can kick. Well, bad.
Okay, your turn.
Hey, Everett, get
oh yeah.
backstage.
Sorry, I was distracted by someone touching me.
Okay. As a seeker, I forgot it last round, but I'm supposed.
I'm stuck.
You know how goofy you look. You look so goofy over there. As a seeker last round, I forgot my grappling hook and my teleport gun and sneak attack.
That guy needs to be filming front. Okay, I'm coming for you. Beep.
I will self-destruct. Oh my god! He should be fine! Ah!
Wait.
Okay.
Where'd you go? Where did he go? Beep. I knew he's above. Where is this little guy? Wait. What? Beep. He's up here. Beep. Beep. He's above me. What? Where is he? Beep. Did you beep? He's a but. What the Sigma? Beep. Oh, I can't hear you. Where are you? Can I get a hint? Pipe. Sir?
What's up?
Finding me. Dude, he's not finding me, bro. He doesn't even know where I am.
Hey,
Whose
where's
friend
the
are you?
dude?
Chipotle?
This dude, Slim Jim, whatever his name.
Yeah,
Who
Chipotle.
are you? Who's in the code?
He's superstar guy.
Super what?
What's your name?
I'm friends with
I'm
this
just gonna self-destruct.
Slim.
Where were you?
Oh, 2,
Everett.
1, 8.
Where were you?
This little ledge right here. This little ledge, and I was circling non-stop.
Bro, I couldn't. I thought you were up top.
Anyway, guys. Anyway, that's basically the end of the video. That's how you play Flea. You do need a modded item, so you could get banned possibly. Maybe suspend your account. This is a pretty bad idea, if you ask me. So I recommend either doing private codes or just try not to tell on yourself like I did in this video. Anyways, bye guys. I hope you have an amazing day. That's the outro. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Let me. Oh fuck, my hammer. Stop recording, by the way.